In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shop Pay on Shopify, providing a seamless and efficient payment experience for your customers. By the end of this step-by-step walkthrough, your online store will be set up to use Shop Pay, enhancing the way your customers interact with your checkout process. So let's dive right in and get your Shopify store ready for Shop Pay. First, open up your Shopify store's admin by logging into your account. Once you're on your store's homepage, you'll want to navigate to the bottom left of your screen where you'll see the Settings option. Click on Settings to open a new menu. This is the central hub where you'll manage various aspects of your store, including payments. Next, in the new menu that appears, you should look for the option labeled Payments. Clicking this will direct you to the Payment Settings page. This page is crucial as it is where you'll configure how transactions are processed on your site. Now, within the Payments section, ensure you locate and select Shopify Payments. This is Shopify's primary payment processor, and utilizing it is the first step towards activating Shop Pay on your store. You'll notice an option to complete your account setup. Clicking on Complete Account Setup will initiate the process of configuring your payment gateway. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to submit detailed information about your business. Make sure to have all necessary details ready, such as your business type, registration information, banking details, and so forth. Providing accurate information ensures that your payment setup goes smoothly and complies with Shopify's requirements. Once you've submitted all the required information, it's time to enhance security by turning on two-step authentication. This step is vital as it adds an extra layer of security to your Shopify account, helping protect both your business and your customers' financial information. Follow the prompts to set up and verify your two-step authentication using either a mobile app or a phone number. And with that, you can now activate Shopify payments on your site. By following these steps, you have successfully added Shop Pay to your Shopify store. This allows your customers to enjoy a speedy checkout process with their details saved for future purchases, encouraging repeat business and improving user satisfaction. So that's it, your Shopify store is now equipped with Shop Pay, ready to offer an improved and seamless payment experience to your customers. If you have any questions or get stuck at any point, don't hesitate to consult Shopify's support resources or reach out for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with your newly enhanced payment process.